April 6th, we are hitting the road again to go out to Audio Solutions and Accessories in Florence, Mississippi for an event that's going to be a lot bigger than people are expecting. April 6th is 100% a day that y'all want to mark on your calendars, because not only is Davidson Audio going to Florence, Mississippi to hang out with Audio Solutions and Accessories, but there are a lot of big names in this industry that are going to be out there for that weekend hosting a big motorcycle audio event. Those people are going to be including Carlos from NVS Audio with his crew, and I've also been told that Mr. Wonderful should be riding down with him as well. Great crew, great guys up there. You've got people like Tim Nagy that owns Nagy Customs is coming down. Dube, who owns Dube Customs. You can check out our video in the past where we did it on the Harley bass knobs and the new Indian Chieftain bass knob. And from there, we're going to have some reps from Cicada Audio directly coming out for this. Chris Lowe, who owns Garage Bagger Stereos, should be there. I've also been told that the owner of Ultimate Marketing and some of his reps, Kevin Holder, are going to be out there as well. So this event is going to be pretty darn big. I also was told that the owner of Audio Solutions and Accessories will have some food trucks out there. So we're trying to make this the biggest event that we can. It's going to also include some training and an audio competition, which I'll get to in a second. I wanted to share this with y'all because I know this event is going to be heavily saturated with Harleys. But I'm reaching out to the Indian community because I want a good, big representation of the Indian market out there. As we all know, the audio industry is saturated with the Harleys. Indians are slowly coming up there, which is one big thing that I've been trying to bring into the market, is Indians that can compete and also Indians that can hold their own with audio, period. Please do me a favor, mark your calendar April 6th. Well, it'll be 5th and 6th because we're going to be there both days. Come on down to Florence, Mississippi. I know one of my good friends and one of our installers, Corey, is coming down from Minnesota, so that's not a short trek. If he can make it down, y'all come on down and support this event. Not just for us, but please show some love for Audio Solutions and Accessories and the rest of the folks that are making this truck down here to make this show possible and the biggest show that we can make. Let's talk about what we're going to be doing. I know myself and Carlos and a bunch of us are coming in on Thursday to get ready for the weekend, and we're going to be kicking things off on Friday. So we're going to be setting up on Friday, getting ready for the event, but I know myself and Carlos are going to be hosting 2 classes on Friday. Don't hold me to the times because I'm not 100% sure yet. We haven't finalized that. But from my understanding, it should be about 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. will be the 2 classes. And these 2 classes are 100% free for anybody that shows up. It's going to be classes on basic audio tuning for motorcycles and then also the proper wiring for motorcycle audio. Carlos put these together because we want to share as much knowledge that we have to you all, so that way if you're doing these installs yourself at home, you have what you need to make sure that you can accomplish that properly, so that way your system is serviceable, it's clean, it's safe, and you're using the proper equipment and wiring for your audio install. April 6th, this Saturday, there will be the big event, like everything's going to be there. We're doing a audio competition, and from what I'm told, we're going off of the SOS rules. So I'll drop a link to their website so y'all can see those rules and everything. The audio competition registration is going to start at 10 a.m. and we're going to promptly start doing the audio competition at 12 p.m. because I'm sure there's going to be a bunch of bikes and we want to be able to make sure we get through all of these bikes, so that way we can figure out the winners of this and get that announced at a reasonable time. Now, it's going to be a $5,000 cash prize amongst the winners. I don't personally know how that's going to be broken up just yet, but we will get you more of those details next week before the event so that way y'all know exactly what to expect from the event. We will be doing free audio tuning all day Friday and Saturday. That's gonna be myself and Carlos Ramirez from NVS Audio. There's a few things I would like to ask though. One, we will not be able to take any bikes apart. There's gonna be so much going on these 2 days that we just will not be able to take your bike apart to, one, hook up to your DSP, find the DSP, figure out what you have. So what we ask is that you come prepared. Make sure you know your complete system, what DSP you have. Make sure if it's a USB only DSP, where what I mean by that is that we have to hook up a laptop to that USB, that the USB is accessible without disassembling your bike. Make sure it's in like a cubby compartment or somewhere that we can easily plug into. If you're wanting a copy of the tune file, make sure you either A, bring your laptop that we can tune on, or B, we can email it over to you. For right now, that's about it for this event. I just wanted to express, again, it's gonna be April 5th and 6th. We're gonna be doing some training on the 5th along with free audio tuning. And again, the training and the tuning is all 100% free for you all. And then Saturday is going to be the audio competition, which we're gonna also open up to the slingshots. Now, when it comes to the slingshots, we're not gonna have the time to break it down into individual categories and all of that. What we're gonna do is most likely like the best overall sounding slingshot will win that category. And it's just gonna be a really good time. I know the owner of Audio Solutions and Accessories has spent some time at Carlos's shop, and this is why we're all going there, because we all truly believe that building a solid network in this industry and supporting each other is how we push the boundary on this industry and make the industry just better as a whole. So we wanted to bring everybody together. We wanted to host this event for y'all for free. Now when it comes to the food and stuff, the food trucks, y'all are gonna have to pay for that, I'm pretty sure, but don't quote me on that. We wanna make it a really good time. It's gonna be an awesome time. I've met pretty much everybody that's coming, minus Chris Lowe and Tim Nagy, which I'm excited to finally meet them. And it's just a great group of guys, and it's gonna be an amazing event. So mark your calendars, April 5th and 6th, I cannot stress it enough. If you own a motorcycle, whether it's a Harley, Indian, whatever motorcycle it is, and you love audio, you want to be at this event. I'm gonna be as bold as to tell you, you have to be at this event because it's gonna be that much fun. You're gonna learn a lot, and you're gonna be able to network and meet so many people. Davidson Audio, personally, we are bringing 4 Indians. We're gonna bring both our shop challengers, our shop chieftain, and we're wrapping up Carlos Ramirez's Indian chieftain build. It'll be similar to ours, but primarily NVS Audio speakers on it. So it'll be really nice if you're on the fence about an audio system, whether it's for a Harley or it's for an Indian. Because I know NVS Audio is bringing a bunch of bikes to demo for you. So if you're on the fence and just don't know what you want, this is going to be the time to listen to all sorts of different bikes. Talk to us personally. That way we can help build that system that you're wanting, and you can see how we do the work. Because we're going to have multiple audio packages all set up underneath our tent, so that way y'all can see the work that we do. It's going to be there for the training so that you can see how NVS and Davidson Audio does their installs, and give you that peace of mind that you're getting quality audio packages when you work with us. So enough rambling. Again, April 5th and 6th, I can't stress enough. Mark your calendars. Make sure you're there at Audio Solutions and Accessories in Florence, Mississippi, because this is one event you do not want to miss. I'm Brandon Davidson with Davidson Audio, located here in beautiful Panama City, Florida. And if you're looking for the absolute best aftermarket audio solution for your Indian motorcycles, make sure you reach out to us today.